Need serious power for your next project? Check out this Atlas Copco QAS700VD Tier 4 final diesel power module, available now from Power Generation Enterprises. This rental-grade powerhouse delivers dependable performance for construction sites, industrial facilities, emergency backup applications, and temporary power needs. The QAS700VD is rated for 560 kilowatts prime power and up to 600 kilowatts standby power. It features selectable voltages, including 120/240 volt single-phase, 120/208 volt three-phase, and 277/480 volt three-phase operation. At the heart of this unit is the proven Volvo TWD-1683GE diesel engine, running at 1,800 revolutions per minute and 60 Hz for reliable, fuel-efficient performance. Built for demanding job sites, this trailer-mounted power module comes fully equipped with a massive 700-gallon fuel tank for extended runtimes. Need flexibility? The built-in voltage selector and terminal board connections make setup quick and efficient. Plus, the sound-attenuated enclosure operates at just 76 decibels at 75% load, helping keep noise levels under control. And with EPA Tier 4 final emissions compliance, you get clean power without sacrificing performance. This 2023 model has approximately 2,000 to 270 hours and is ready to go to work. If you're looking for reliable, rental-grade power backed by experienced professionals, Power Generation Enterprises has you covered. Call us today at 818-484-8550 or visit powergenenterprises.com to request pricing, check availability, or explore our full inventory. Power Generation Enterprises, powering your projects with dependable equipment you can trust.